In this video, we will practice weather vocabulary in British English with pictures and example sentences. Let's begin. Sky. Sky. The sky is blue. Cloud. Cloud. There is a cloud in the sky. Sun. Sun. The sun is bright. Hot. Hot. It is hot today. Wind. Wind. The wind is strong. Rain. Rain. The rain is heavy. Wet. Wet. The ground is wet. Puddle. Puddle. There is a puddle on the road. Rainbow. Rainbow. There is a rainbow in the sky. Dry. Dry. The ground is dry. Cold. Cold. It is cold today. Snow. Snow. There is snow on the ground. Snowflake. Snowflake. I can see snowflakes on the window. Ice. Ice. There is ice on the road. Icicles. Icicles. There are icicles on the roof. Frost. Frost. There is frost on the car. Hail. Hail. Hail is falling from the sky. Fog. Fog. There is fog in the street. Thunder and lightning. Thunder and lightning. There is thunder and lightning today. Now let's review the weather words we've learned. Sky. Cloud. Sun. Hot. Wind. Rain. Wet. Puddle. Rainbow. Dry. Cold. Snow. Snowflake. Ice. Icicles. Frost. Hail. Fog. Thunder and lightning. Well done! You have practiced weather vocabulary in English. You can continue practicing with more English vocabulary lessons on the channel.